Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a Mediterranean tapas.
Tapas is the inexhaustible flavors of foods from the Mediterranean, different that they may be, served as an appetizer or little nibbles before dinner or in the middle of the day. Enjoy.
Got a Mediterranean tapas this evening. I don't want to bore you with all the details, but here's all the stuff. Let's at it. Focaccia di Recco is a yeastless bread, and you use 2/3 water to 1/3 oil. And then, of course, I'm using pastry flour because it's going to be much better that way. Mix thoroughly, of course. And then, of course, it's finger fold, finger fold, finger fold. And every time you fold it, it doubles. So you get 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. And that's how many I had before I cut it up for servings. And then you fold it one more time so you have 256 layers for your Focaccia di Recco. Okay, now we're rolling it out. And then, of course, this takes some time, and once you get it to a certain point, you can use your hands and start stretching it because it's very stretchy. Grab your stone, add cornmeal, throw it on top, and then, of course, you're ready to make it all happen. I'm using a mascarpone cheese, olive oil, mascarpone, and then basil, and then we're going to do the top. And then, of course, you fold it so it's 256, and then you roll it out, throw it around, and then you're going to put it up on the top of there, and then it's going to pinch it, seal the ends after cutting the edges off, and then into the oven 475 for 12 to 15 minutes. And you definitely want to keep an eye on it, but then, of course, you pull it out of the oven, and absolutely beautiful. And, of course, a little flyby just to show you. Pretty nice. And, of course, just to show you a little flyby here at what 256 layers of rolled dough looks like. Exactly how it's supposed to be. Perfect. And now that the bread is ready, we're going to show you how we're going to turn this into this. For our charcuterie here, we have 3 blends of smoked salmon. And then, of course, we have Genoa salami, sweet capocollo, and Sopressata with provolone cheese. And for our fruit plate here, we have green and red grapes, grapefruit, red plum, some beautiful Bartlett pears, and pomegranate, of course, with cream cheese, and I said blueberry jam. And for our cheese plate, we have Brie cheese, Cambozola cheese, Feta cheese, Mozzarella cheese, of course, with some beautiful artichoke hearts, sun-dried tomatoes, some baby dill gherkins, Peperoncini peppers, and roasted red peppers. So we have the Focaccia di Recco, followed by this nice Canard mousse, hummus with tomatoes, and then, of course, a blend of olives, pistachio nuts, dates, and figs, with a little mustard to make things happy, and a nice Pinot Grigio wine. Tapas is what you start with. A little wine, a little this, a little that, while everything's cooking in the kitchen, and laughter in the heart. Okay, people, take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time.